Hello and welcome to the show that we are going to teach you how to make money off of YouTube for everybody out there that's an aspiring creator. Well, you may be wondering, how might I do this? I have a friend with me that is willing to help.
You have to get the cash and keep it.
Besides that, you start a channel and then you
Shake it all about.
film your first video. After that, you
Eat a walrus.
the best advice so far, upload the video. But after you upload it, you
Make sure your neighbor has his microscope.
correct. And once you get the microscope all loaded up, Google AdSense, and you create a profile there. Before you do that, you
Need to water your houseplants so they don't shrivel up and die.
monetize your video when you upload it. You can also get sponsors as well. But
Brush your teeth.
yep, that's how you do it.